Hi, I'm Rachel with crucialvacuum.com, and today I'm going to show you how to change your washable and reusable pre-filter on the Dyson DC-25 vacuum cleaner. Now, first things first, make sure that your vacuum is unplugged from the wall. Now, to take out your pre-filter, you're just going to press this button down here, release the chamber, pull this little lever up here, remove the filter. It's disgusting, don't want it anymore. Then you're going to take out your new washable and reusable crucialvacuum.com filter. This crucialvacuum.com pre-filter replaces these part numbers and can fit on any Dyson DC25 vacuum cleaner. Put it in just so, pop it down, put the chamber, slide it right back into place. And there you go. You can wash it and you can reuse it too. All you have to do is rinse it off and dry it. And I'll see you at crucialvacuum.com.